Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can assemble every or multiple cells on Google Sheets applications easy and fast. So you just need to open your Google Sheets application and then open the documents that you want to edit here. So you can see I have a bunch of name, but then this name will be attending in the same date set here. So I would like to remove all the grids on these cells and make them assemble become one cells only. So how to do that? You just need to block the cells and then the specific cells that you want to assemble. And the next, you just need to take a look at this bottom side. That could be this icon, the square with a rose inside. So you just need to tap it, and all or every cells here already assembled in one cells only. So the grid is just disappear. And we want to make or place this text in the middle. Tap into this alphabet and make or pick this and make it center, and then you are done. So that's the way how you can assemble or merge several or multiple cells into one. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.